Hello students, welcome to DigiTutors. In the last class we have studied about triangles and some similar figures. Today our topic is similar triangles. In the previous video I have told you how we say two figures or two polygons are similar. I have told you about two criteria. So triangle is also a polygon, that is a three-sided polygon. So two triangles are said to be similar if that satisfy the conditions of similar polygons. The conditions are two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal, that is, if these two are two triangles A, B, C and D, E, F, then their corresponding angles means angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E and angle C is equals to angle F. Then our second rule is their sides are in equal ratio. Their corresponding sides are in equal ratio or are in proportions. Their corresponding sides means AB by DE is equals to BC by EF is equals to AC by DF. Okay, so two triangles are said to be similar if that satisfies these two conditions, that is their corresponding angles are equal, angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E and angle C is equals to angle F. Just like that their corresponding sides are in equal ratio, that means AB by DE is equals to BC by EF is equals to AC by DE. Conversely, if two triangles satisfy these two conditions, then we can say that the two triangles are similar. As we know, if two triangles have equal angles, then we can call that equiangular triangle. According to a famous Greek mathematician, the ratio of the corresponding sides of an equiangular triangle is always same irrespective of their size. So it is believed that he get this from a basic theorem which is known as basic proportionality theorem. Later it is also known as Thales theorem. So let's see what is Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. According to this basic proportionality theorem, a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Let's draw the diagram for this theorem. This is the triangle ABC. DE is a line which is parallel to BC, which intersect AB at D and AC at E. So this is our given DE. So ABC is a triangle. Okay, then DE is a line parallel to BC which intersect DE intersect AB at D and AC at E. So we have to prove what we have to prove here. Their ratio means AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Okay. So here we have to construct. The construction is join B and E and DC. Join BE and DC and draw a perpendicular EF perpendicular to AD and DG perpendicular to AE. So this is our construction. Now let's start the proof. Let's take triangle ADE. In triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE is what? This is our ADE triangle. We know area equals to half into base into height. So in ADE triangle, AD is the base and FE is height. So this is half into AD into EF. Similarly, if we take triangle BDE, area of BDE is equals to half into, this is the base of BDE triangle and EF is the height. We know, we can see that EF is not inside the BDE triangle but it is on the external side of triangle BDE. So we can take that as height. So here half into BD into EF. So if we take area of ADE by area of BDE, we get half into AD into EF by half into BD into its EF. So here half cancel, EF cancel, we get AD by BD. Let this be our equation 1. Again, let's take triangle ADE. Here we can say AE is the base and DG is the height. If we find area of ADE triangle, half into AE into DG. Similarly, if we find area of this triangle DEC, EC is the base and DG is the height. Half into EC into DG. Let's area of ADE by area of DEC is equals to half into AE into DG by half into EC into DG. So here also half cancel, DG cancel, we get AE by EC. Let it be our equation 2. So see, triangle BDE and ECD lies on the same base BC and the same parallel lines DE and BC. So in class 9th we have studied that if two triangles or two polygons lies in the same base and same two parallel lines, then we can call that area of those two polygons are equal. So from that we can conclude that area of BDE is equals to area of DEC. Let it be our equation 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3, we can say that AD by BD is equals to AE by CE. See, this is what we have to prove. So this is proved that if a line draw parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio, which is known as basic proportionality theorem, also known as Thales theorem. In the next class we will discuss about the converse of basic proportionality theorem.